Hello guys!
Welcome to our kitchen.
Walnut sponge cake is a delicious cake with a soft texture that we suggest you make it.
Please introduce our channel to your friends. Surati, where is Kobolek? Oh, he's watching SpongeBob SquarePants. Oh, that's my favorite cartoon too. One day, SpongeBob says, Patrick, what day are we in? Patrick says, today. SpongeBob says, wow, it's my favorite day. So have a nice day.
Stay with us.
For making walnut sponge cake, we should have
6 eggs, 280 grams of flour, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, some chopped walnuts as desired,
120 grams of oil, 120 grams of milk, 200 grams of sugar. By the way, don't worry about these compounds because they're just for decorating our table.
Separate the eggs white and yolks. Mix the egg whites well. When it becomes white, we can add some tablespoons of sugar. And mix it until a white mixture is obtained. The egg white is ready. I put it in the fridge.
I add the rest of sugar and vanilla to the yolks. And mix them for 4 minutes.
Add the milk and mix it for a minute. And add the oil and mix it for a minute too. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder to flour and mix them. And add it to the mixture of our cake in 2 or 3 steps. add the walnuts. And fold the eggs white in 2 or 3 steps. It's an important stage for making sponge cake. It should fold well. You can try our recipe in holiday and enjoy. It's really delicious and simple. Spread grease-proof paper on the bottom of mold. Mold walls should not be greased. Pour the ingredient into the mold and place in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 60 minutes. Tap the mold several times on the table. And put it in the oven. It is cooked well. I put out and let it cool well. The walnut sponge cake is ready.
I'm so sorry I'm late. I was watching SpongeBob SquarePants. In that part, Patrick said, SpongeBob, I came back to borrow your fridge. And SpongeBob said, what about your fridge, Patrick? And Patrick said, nothing, just empty.
It is interesting to know that the meaning of Kopolak in English is chubby. Hello, Mr. Chubby.
Oh yeah, this is my name, this is my real name, this is my English name, yeah.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Follow us.